Okay guys, we got the package again. Why this is using a plastic bag like this? Because this is instant courier in 2 hours. This package from Teramet again should be cervical color GEA CC 01. This is not open yet, this packages. You can see the packages is right. Okay, let's open this. Wow, this is it. Exactly same in the picture. This is a cervical collar by GEA. This is a height adjustment manual book. Let's see the manual book first. Now this is, you can see, this is cervical collar GEA. Exactly same, right? Okay, the description is like this. Okay, let's see this. This is the manual book. When we open something, we must be with the manual book first. From GEA Medical, penyangga leher. Okay, this is how to use. Oh, made in Chinese, I think. Okay, manual book, and this is the things. Let's bring it out. Okay, oh, this is a sponge. So doesn't hurt. This is a sponge too. Doesn't hurt. This is a height adjustment, so you can push to lock. Set the height adjustment from here, and if you round it like this, facade from around it like this. From this side you can see there's any instructions pattern in the plastic. Okay, it's how to use height adjustment CCI1 model. Okay, the photo is like this at least. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching. Oh yes, how to use this. This is like a knob. This put in the red shoe and push this to open, to adjust, push from back and adjust the height of the red dots, and you can see that's a knob in there, locked again like that. Okay, like that. Thank you.